Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Yusuf Zakaria. I will be presenting my assignment number 7, which is preventive maintenance system (PMS) for ROV system. Okay, PMS for ROV is divided into 5 components, which is ROV system, LAS, container, TMS, latching device, and charge card. For each component, it is divided into 4 stages of maintenance schedule, which is weekly maintenance, monthly maintenance, 6-month maintenance, and annual maintenance. Okay, for ROV system, weekly maintenance is the list are: check condition of vehicle hydraulic oil, flush out thruster bearing housing, lubricate lift points swivel, check whole boat umbilical, check operation of hydraulic compensator level alarm functionality, check level of HPU compensator, check condition of anode on ROV body, check for loose nut and bolt, check security of all ancillary equipment, clean lubricate manifold and boom with WD-40, check operation of emergency location device, update ROV maintenance logs, check port clamp for tightness, check frame integrity and buoyancy. For monthly maintenance, the list are: check earth leakage shutdown system, clean and test ROV interface tool, check frame for any corrosion, check buoyancy and touch up paintwork, check valve cartridge stem, grease externally, check thruster strip clean if necessary, check batteries in strobe and check operation, check batteries in beacon, check operation. For 6-month maintenance, the list are: replace HP and LP hydraulic filter, reuse filter back to base for ultrasonic cleaning, replace HPU motor oil, mega test tether installation, strip clean, lubricate manifold and boom repair for any damage, strip clean and service thruster, general visual inspection on lifting point. And for annual maintenance, the list are: strip and clean hydraulic and electronic compensator, check motor, pump, coupling, full test, recertify of lifting point. For last, the weekly maintenance checklist are: check hose and pipe for any sign of damage defect, check all coupling and connection are secure, check frame for any damage defect, grease lubrication point, lubricate level wind drive bar, check chain tension, shift bracket inspection for crack, shift pin visual inspection for any defect, snubber attachment point condition checks, check oil level, check pivot point and keep plates, inspect ram piston for damage. Monthly maintenance for last, the list are: inspect list level wind pour and regrease, touch up paintwork, check frame for corrosion damage, check oil for water contamination, check boil oil, check junction box and inspect for water ingress, and replace silica gel as required, check electric and running current, check full operation of all function. For 6 monthly maintenance, the list are: check HP and LP filter, check condition of oil in tank and change if needed, check general visual inspection of lifting point, mega test electric motor and power cable, mega test winch deck cable, and lastly for annual maintenance of LAS, the list are: check oil and replace, check condition of the motor, pump coupling, investigate complete main lift umbilical determination, recertify lift point of A-frame, winch and power pack, certification inspection on shift wheel assembly, last annual inspection on all stress point. The weekly maintenance for containers are: the list is ensure cable enter exit and secure, covered. Tiny, clean, control workshop, clean console and monitor, check condition, number of spare, backup of essential data or database. For monthly maintenance, for container, touch up paintwork, lubricate door hinge, clean PDU and AC unit filter, check first aid kit, order spare if needed, update inventory, check system certification date is valid, check copy of database to office, lubricate door hinge, clean PDU and unit filter, update antivirus definition on PC. As for monthly, 6 monthly maintenance for container, general visual inspection on lifting point, and for annual maintenance for container, full test recertify lift point on container and sling. Okay, the next is TMS. Okay, the weekly maintenance are the list: check condition of hydraulic oil, bleed high point on hydraulic circuit, bleed high point on electric compensator circuit, check leather guide roller for wear and rotation, check lubrication point, check idler pulley for wear and security, check chain tension, lubricate level wing diamond bar, check for loose nut and bolt, check HPU compensator, check condition and security of column grip, inspect lift umbilical for damage and security, inspect main swivel and lift pin. For 6 monthly maintenance for TMS, the list replace HP and low P hydraulic filter, reuse filter bag for base to reuse filter bag to base for ultrasonic cleaning, replace HPU motor oil, mega test umbilical insulation, and for annual maintenance for TMS, strip and clean hydraulic and electric component compensator, check motor pump coupling. As for latching device, weekly maintenance, the list are bleed cylinder of air, lubricate pivot point, check all fastening and secure, check spring are in place and not damaged. For monthly maintenance of latching device, check for wear on latches, check for excessive movement in latches, check security of hydraulic fitting, check integrity and security of hydraulic hoses. And for 6 month maintenance of latching device, general visual inspection on lifting point, and annual maintenance for latching device is full test, recertify and lift point. And lastly, the last component is charge card. Okay, for weekly maintenance for charge card is check condition of hydraulic oil, grease lubricant point, check operation of hydraulic compensator low level alarm, check for loose nut and bolt. For monthly maintenance for charge card is check security of hydraulic fitting, check integrity and security of hydraulic hoses, check operation of pressure gauge, check operation of pressure and flow adjustment. For 6 monthly maintenance of charge card, change HP low P filter, check condition of oil in tank and change if needed, recertify lift point, mega test electric motor and power cable. Okay, I have prepared a video for example some of this component of ROV system, and let's go check out the video. Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Yusuf bin Zakaria. I will doing my assignment weekly and maintenance schedule. Okay, for the first one, we're gonna check the maintenance schedule for ROV control vent. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, you can see here the padlock. So we need to check this padlock. Is it in good condition, operable and lubricant? As you can see here, it's not properly. Yeah, we need to adjust back this and make it properly installed. Okay. Okay, the next one, you gotta check the fire extinguisher for this. Yeah, it should be a fire extinguisher here. So we need to install fire extinguisher for this ROV. And lastly, we need to record. We need to record the all relevant paperwork, logs and report, all up to date. So also the paperwork are missing here. So there's a lot to do maintenance here. Okay, thank you. Okay, now I will explain on the weekly plan maintenance schedule for TMS. Okay, the first one, we check for the condition operable of TMS electronic port. O-ring connectors are clean and dry. You can see here all the connectors. All clean and dry. And the second one, we check for the fiber optic cable. Its operable connection is good, but this is not connected. And the third one is the O-ring and the electrical connectors here. All are secure. Okay, that's all for TMS. Okay, now I will explain the weekly plan maintenance schedule for ROV workshop. Okay, we can check the housekeeping here, and we also gonna check on the fire alarm system, the fire extinguisher here. Okay, and the last one is exit walkway. Here the exit walkway, the line. Okay, that's all. Okay, now I will explain the weekly maintenance schedule for LAS, which is launch recovery system. Okay, the first one, we check for the oil filter. Is it in good condition? Yeah, the oil filter, as you can see, it is still good. It's still in good condition. Okay, the second one is cylinder check and leakage. You can see all the connection here. Okay, and the third one is we check for the hoses and fitting. All the hoses here, all the hoses here. Okay, that's all. Okay, now I will explain the weekly plan maintenance schedule for as for safety, in terms of safety. You can see the first one is the housekeeping for the workshop. Okay, and the third one is the cable properly secure. And the third one is fire system, fire alarm system. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Okay, lastly, I will explain on the weekly plant maintenance service schedule. Sorry, for ROV. Okay, the first one is check the HPU and pump for any sign of damage, corrosion and leak. You can see here is the pump. All the connections are secured, and you can check here there's no leaking. The HPU also in good condition, and you can see there's corrosion here. Maybe we can change this after this. And the second one is check all the J-box. All the J-box. Okay, we can check here the connection are all secured. Except for the wire, we need to connect back and put the wire in good condition, in the proper way lah. Okay, for the second is junction box, and the third one is the camera, sensor and lighting. You can see here the camera is not properly installed, but it's still in good condition. And the lamp here are securely here and can operate. And for sensor, here all the sensor are connected through MCP, such as transducer, sensor, sonar. They are not connected yet, so this one need to connect after this. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.